Hey, welcome on in. This is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits. In this video, I'm going to go over the Clickfunnels online course funnel. But before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I do come out with videos like these on how to do digital marketing, how to bring your business from the traditional space to the online space, affiliate marketing, which I do a lot of, consulting, coaching, um, and more. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to go through everything that I've already made, ClickFunnels related and everything else, go ahead and check that out. By the way, I'll be showing you this funnel here that you can go ahead and pick up with a click of a button. It can just be put into your own account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can always make one for free. Plus all the bonuses I'm going to go ahead and hand you over. You can check out down below. But the link to this actual funnel that I'm going to show you, it'll be down below. So once you're done here, go ahead and click that and you'll get what I have into your own account. And I even have extras too, so you can you maybe start off fresh if you want to have something different, a different look to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And so here I'm showing you the 2 funnel steps you need for this course. And this is basically called like the membership area access. So you're going to just see 2 steps. It's going to be the membership access and then the membership portal. Okay. The first one, you're going to create an account. If it's a new account or if it's new, this is where you create that. And then the membership portal is on the second page here. Now, let me show you how that membership portal looks like, right? So far it's pretty simple. Now let me see this here. Okay, now we're in the membership portal. Here is where everything is going to be outlined from the modules to the lessons. And in between, in the lessons, this is where you can open up the editor. For example, I'm going to go underneath ClickFunnels Basics. So I'll click this here. And here's just a simple video. It's not displaying at the moment. I'll actually show you how it all looks like in a bit. So stick with me. I'll show you how it all looks like. It's all neat. It's nice. It's going to be great for you. And if you ever want to sell it, I'll go ahead and get into that. But I might have a different video that shows you how to, sell that online course. If I don't explain all of it in this video, I'll let you know if I link to it down below. Okay. So this is a video here. It's very nice. It's tutorial. It's how to go about for this exact lesson. It was, let me see here. It was for navigating your ClickFunnels dashboard, how to become an affiliate, what makes ClickFunnels affiliate marketing different. There's just different lessons on different topics, but they're all in here. The welcome start here. And each one of them will have something different. So you can open up the editor and go in there and add something very simple. Let me go back to this here. It doesn't take much time to get it all in one place. You don't have to have any kind of technical experience if you haven't used ClickFunnels yet. It's a very simple landing page drag and drop. I'll show you that in a bit here. But this is the course right here that I have. I have already done it for you. It's already outlined for you. It's nice. It works well. And I added a whole bunch more lessons to this. And it's also infused with like the top ClickFunnels affiliate dream car winner, Spencer Meekum. So he's going to also give you tutorial videos on this, on how to get something set up. So this is very nicely put together for you, which means, you're going to be in the hands of myself, but in also, other dream car winners and dream car winners who have this, who have put some of their material already in this course. So just scrolling down, there's all this here. Now let me kind of just show you how to get access to that actual course. So I can take this here. I'm going to take this link. This is called the secret sign up URL. Copy it. And once I do copy it, it'll bring me to this page if I'm not already logged in. And this is where you can go ahead and create your account very simply. Just put your email, you have your password, and then confirm it. So just create a password for that. And if you're already a member, click here to log in. Because I am a member, I will do that. But if I wasn't, I would have gone through the previous steps, which I have in the past. It's already autofilled for me, which is very nice. Right? Makes it super fast for you just to click a button like to log into account. And by the way, you can also personalize this. I have my logo up here for my branding. And then click here, and it'll show you the actual course. This is kind of customized for my needs. If you wanted this one, you can also customize it for yourself. But it's a lot of lessons in here. I've added a lot of lessons that are done. And so this is how it is. Basically, you can customize the layout of it, and I'll show you how it looks like in the editor in a bit. But I have the welcome start here, introduction, join the Facebook group, ClickFunnels basics, like we went over just previously, ClickFunnels power course. There's a lot of lessons in here. This is going to help you get set up with everything ClickFunnels related. So you don't have to worry about going at it your own or having to go and research videos after blog posts, which means you're going to save yourself a lot of time, headaches, the physical pain of it, the effort. It's going to be very simply made for you, so you can just go through that. It's from everything from integrations to Zapier, SMTP integration, stuff maybe you haven't heard of or know how to do. It's all in there. ClickFunnels tutorials are going to be in there. So how to build an opt-in funnel super fast, how to make online academy membership to promote your own stuff or whatever it is you have, how to get ClickFunnels. I think this plan's already out, but it's going to be in there nonetheless. Types of funnels you can use. I made all this stuff for you here. Opt-in sales funnels, video sales, and there's a bunch more. If you want to know more about sales funnels, I'll also leave a link down below to the free funnel cookbook, where it'll show you about all the different types of funnels, like webinars and everything else, and how to use them. First section, funnel builder secrets, one funnel away challenge. One funnel away challenge, now that I'm speaking about that, if you have not joined the one funnel away challenge, I strongly recommend that you do. It'll help you build your first funnel within your first business or your second within your current business. And it'll show you how to do that in 30 days from the professionals of Russell Brunson, ClickFunnels owner himself, Julie Stoyan, and then Stephen Larson. It's an amazing 30-day transformation. It's the best thing I have done. And yeah, amongst everything that I've done, it's like my favorite thing. So I'll leave a link to that down below you can check out. But promoting the OFA is kind of here. I kind of show you how to do this, how to kind of earn your money back from it. Funnels, be ready to go, funnels, special offers. And some of my stuff in here that I have is kind of, some of them I think are paid already, so you can get access to them if you pay. And you can add a payment integration to your courses, which I'll show you here in a bit. Let's see here. So this is how it looks like. There's the videos there. And then here's another video from Spencer himself and these ones, and then how to build in these ones, and there's resources underneath. There's me kind of making these videos here. There's more of them that I made. But it's all there, organized, ready to go for you. I even have copies, I think, of this stuff to double to make sure again. But that's that. And then now let me open the editor so I can show you how it looks like when you're going through this and customizing it for yourself, for your own needs, right? You have your own brand, you want to customize it for what you have to do. So here it is. It's very simple. The funnel, right? Once you go into the editor from where I clicked, it won't show you all the lessons. That's okay. That shows you in the back office where you're editing everything. You're putting the videos, you're putting the extra words in there. But here you can add extra stuff like a section. You can always go full width here and probably drop it up there. I'm going to delete that because I don't need it. I don't have to, but I'll do that. And then I can add different elements to it. For this course, it'll have specific ones. Countdown timers, minute timers, day timers, icon, image features, and so forth. They're different for different funnels. So this is like kind of a membership / course funnel, the one you're going to be getting likely. So look through this. You can go in through the editor, move this stuff around, customize it for your own needs. I know I do affiliate stuff, so sometimes I put in my own affiliate link in here with all my extra bonuses that you could get. But yeah, this is very nicely, again, put together. I know I've repeated that over and over again, but it's there to be made easy for you, and so you wouldn't have to worry about so much of the, I guess, I mean, you'll want to add to it, I guess, if it's your own stuff. Eventually you'll want to, But for the most part, like the integrations, the basic details of how to set it up and everything is all there, and so forth. So now let me go ahead and show you how it would look like. Let's say you were to charge for this course, right? If I wanted to charge for this course, what I would do first, let me go here. I can go and create a different funnel step within that same funnel, right? So I can go to add new here, and I would go ahead and just create a new funnel, or not really create a new funnel, but sell your product. We're going to choose from these three, select sell your product, choose product launch, sales funnel, membership. So we can go with membership, and then we can name the membership, right? We'll name the membership, and it'll basically set up the whole membership site, kind of like what we were looking at just a second ago, that funnel. It'll get that set up, and then kind of like this here. Let me go ahead and go back to the funnel I was at. What you want to do is you want to have a payment gate or a payment page. So, for example, it could be a sales page, right? And then we have an order form. So we're going to take them to our funnel where they can opt in for the course, right? Once they opt in, they can go to a sales page, and then they can go to the order form where they can purchase that course. And then you can go over here to products, add the product. This one's already done because I made one. So I can go here and edit. I can add a product. That's what you would do if you wanted to sell your course within the same funnel, right? If we're in that same funnel I showed you earlier, go to create a new step, I think it is, and then you want to select something like opt-in and then sales page and then order form. Sometimes they're built into the sales page, but on that order form, you want to do all this. Okay, this is just hypothetically going through it. And so you're going to go through your payment options here. I have it already integrated, product details. You're going to want to put the name, the product price, stuff like that, product variations, create product variations, fulfillment email, this is optional. You can put a little personalized email in there. Like, hey, thanks for purchasing this course. Here's access to your course, and then put a little link here. Right, we want to do that. We want to put a link underneath here, and then they can get access to it by just clicking there, and they can go and get it. Follow-up actions if you want. Shipping, that's optional, and summary. So there's just different steps for everything that you do here. It's very simple. For first time, I mean, you're going to go through it. If you have any questions on that, make sure you ask me. You can leave me a comment here. You can reach out to me. I have my Facebook page as well as other places. So let me know about that. But yeah, that's how you would go about getting this. This is the Clickfunnels online course funnel that I have already done for you. I might think I have copies as well that I might leave down below. If not, no worries. But if this is what you want, if this is what you're looking for, I mean, it's already done for you, which means you can just set it, forget it, maybe go, and then the rest of it is just kind of promoting it and making sure you're giving it off to the right people and within your niche, within your audience. And that's pretty much it, okay? For additional stuff like, how to choose a niche, how to do all that stuff, I think part of it is in there. And I also have other courses for it that I can hand you. Plus I have like quizzes and stuff that gets you to understand how to select the quiz, how to select a niche properly, that I'll link down below. But that's it. This is the funnel right here that you just saw. The membership board is just 2 steps, right? And if you wanted to add more to it, like I said, the opt-in, the sales page, you can go ahead and add new steps, the order form, and then go through there and then do the steps I showed you with the products, more or less. I showed you the inside of how it looks like. It's all there. It's all put together like this. And I believe I do have other copies, so you can also customize it for yourself. But yeah, that's it. And go ahead, look down below in the description. It will be in there, so make sure you click that link. If you already have an account, it'll get uploaded into it. If you don't, go ahead and click it still, and it'll set you up with getting started with a free account. And if you do purchase this through me, I will give you a lot of bonuses. I think I'll leave a bonus page down below you can take a look at. It's a lot of stuff like email templates, an extra course that usually I charge thousands of dollars for. I like giving stuff like that away for free because I don't believe you should be paying for that kind of stuff all the time. And then plus a lot of stuff on top of it, like guides and blueprints and cheat sheets and so much more. Okay, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do let me know. Pick up your funnel down below, and I will talk to you at a later time.